Good afternoon, everybody. This is Crystal with Crystal's Creations. How are you? Sorry you guys can't see my face this morning. I have a messy spray glittered up tote right here. We are going to make some Christmas ornaments because I am making some ornaments for some tornado victims that lost everything. I mean, they lost everything. So, because when you lose everything in a fire or a tornado, you lose all your Christmas stuff, and it's hard to, you know, make everything come back. Insurance doesn't always cover everything sometimes, and they cover, like, I think most of the time they just cover all of your basic necessities, like your couch, your living room furniture, maybe your kitchen stuff, your food, your bedroom furniture, your bathroom necessities and all that, and your kitchen supplies and all that. But they don't always cover all of your Christmas stuff. And so this is where I am doing we have a thing here it's nationwide, an app called Nextdoor. And so there's a lot of us here in Colorado and a lot of us here in the Westminster, Arvada area, where there's a lot of us, didn't know it, that are crafty people. And so we have been spreading a lot of love around. And I told this one gal, I messaged her through Nextdoor, and I said, next time you guys get together and craft, let me know. I would love to help, or help craft and make cards, or do something, because I'm a crafter and that's what I do all day. I love to be in my craft room because I don't work and I suffer, what I do. And so she messaged me back and she said, hey, we had a bunch of people that lost their Christmas decorations and stuff, and so could you help maybe make some Christmas ornaments? And I said, sure. And I said, how about if I throw in some Christmas cards too? So I will do both. I'm going to show you how I do my ornaments. I will show you what I did yesterday. So here are 3 colors that I did yesterday. And I fill them with alcohol inks, and then I put a little glitter in them. So this one, as you can see, is green and silver. And I put a little bit of green glitter in there. And I put silver mixative in there. And what I found out, because this was my first time doing this, and by the way, these are plastic ornaments. I do not put anything on the outside of these because I don't know the families that might be getting these. I don't know if they're going to be, what kind of animals they have, like a dog or a cat. If they're trained enough to not lick these. I don't know if these are considered non-toxic, which I know these are dangerous and they're flammable, and I wouldn't want, and these do say harmful, and so I wouldn't want my dog or animal or cat to lick the outside of these ornaments. So I hope that this makes sense, to always decorate the inside of your ornament with alcohol inks and stuff like that, and not the outside. So I know a lot of people do train their pets, their fur babies, to not lick things, but sometimes, when we decorate around the holidays and stuff, our wonderful fur babies, when we're not watching, might go up to an ornament and say, oh, that smells good, let me lick it, and they can get sick. And that is why I thought I'd put this on the inside, and so they wouldn't get sick if they decide to lick it. And I did not put anything smelly in here. It's just good old alcohol. But I tried to put blending solution, the blending stuff in there, but it takes away the alcohol out of the ink, and it was liquefying it too much, and I had to empty it all into my trash can. And oh my gosh, you guys, what a mess I made. What a mess. And so that is one of them. Here's another one I did. This one is red and gold with red glitter. So I used a little bit of my Crafter's Companion red glitter to that. And this one turned out really good. This one turned out amazing. So I used a gold mixative, and I used rosewood. So rosewood is a good red for that. That turned really good. And then look at this one that I did. I wanted to be different, so I did. What did I do in here? So this one, I did just gold mixative and silver mixative inside here, and then I added black glitter, just black glitter inside this one. And look at that. Doesn't that look awesome how that looks? And I swirl them around on the inside, and I put the glitter in, and I shake it all about, you know, do the hokey pokey, and you shake it all about. Put your right arm in, put your right, do all that. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. So I took the top off. We're gonna do a blue one. So I thought we would try a blue ornament, because we have blue ornaments, and I picked Glacier. So I thought maybe that'd be a pretty color. So we're gonna do blue, and we're gonna try blue and gold this time. So this is what I do. So I'm gonna show you. See how that goes in there? So I just take that. Oh, that smells. Woohoo! I just swirl it around. Okay. And then I go opposite of where I did that. And don't be afraid to put that stuff in there. Swirl it around. And then I think I have some blue glitter, actually. You know? I do. I forgot. I have blue glitter. Hold on a second. Right here. I'm looking right at it. I do. I have blue glitter. It's right here. So now I'm going to start adding a little bit of blue glitter. So I'm going to take the lid off. This thing is quite full. Now I don't have a funnel like the other people that do their ornaments use and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to use my spoon. So I use a spoon to get it in there. Like I said, I have been making a mess. I get it in there. This alcohol ink dries fast. I do not put extra alcohol in here. And then I just do the shake it all about. And you might have to put a little bit more blue in there. You do the hokey pokey, shake it all about, put your right foot in, put your right foot out. Do the, how's that song go? Oh my gosh, you guys, now I got that song on my brain, I can't get it out. Okay, one more roll of blue. Okay. This stuff dries pretty quickly. Oh, I'm getting glitter all over the place. This jar was too full of way too full. So now we're going to add, what did I say? Silver? Blue and silver, did I say? Or did I say blue and gold? Now I can't remember what I said. Okay, we're going to do blue and silver. I may have said blue and gold, but my brain doesn't remember now. I was talking too much and singing that song. And now I got that song on my head and I can't remember it. Okay, shaking our silver. Now we'll see how silver looks with blue. Okay. So I saw this one gal doing a video on filling her ornaments. This is from, I just watched the video today from 2019. And I was kind of shocked how she did it. She was trying like mop and glow, polyurethane, and she was doing hers from the inside too. And it was, I'm gonna pick some up with my fingers. And it was quite interesting. It was quite interesting, doing different, trying different liquids to see which ones would work the best and stuff, but she didn't try the alcohol inks, and I just subscribed to her channel and I just commented on her channel too. And then another gal that I just watched was called Joggles. That one I remembered because it's like, okay, she's got a name I can remember. Joggles. Like you're jogging, but it's joggles, like joggled my mind. So now we're going to add a little bit more silver, and I'll probably add a little bit more blue. It just keeps shaky. And more glitter. And roll it around. And I'm going to add a little bit more blue. I like that silver accent in there too. So what's nice about this dries fast. And look at that. Doesn't that look really cool? And you got a really cool pattern. It's got a little bit of glitter effect in it. And I got nothing coming out. It's already sticking. So now what we do is we take this and we put it, well, you just put it back in and boom. You have an ornament already. That looks really cool. I'm definitely going to do some more blues. And we put it in our box. So now let's close up the blue glitter, and I got a lot of mess in there. So now I'm going to try this green, it's like mixture of green glitter that I've had for a long time. And I have some white glitter too that I found at the thrift store with a big bag of crafty stuff. And we're going to do a darker green of alcohol inks mixed with gold. So I have another ornament here. Okay, so let's do one more ornament just for fun. So let's get this, and this is sprinkled, so I think we can probably sprinkle this in. So I bet we can. So let's get that ready. Let's get this other ornament ready. So we just pop that off. So let's go ahead and get our Everglades Green is the name of the alcohol ink that I'm using now. And shaky, 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 shake it all about. Then we'll go opposite. Now, yesterday my daughter had me make her one that was wild psychedelic colors, orange and yellow. Something I would never put on my Christmas tree, that's for sure. Now, my friend Elizabeth Costa Rogers, who also has a YouTube channel, she loves glitter too, just as much as I do. But she said there's nothing wrong with a little bit of glitter or lots of glitter. So definitely nothing wrong with glitter. We're going to go over here. Okay. Whew. Good thing the swamp cooler is on, the fan is going. Okay, now over here in this corner, add some more glitter. See if we can get this to worky. Okay, now we're going to do gold mixative. Have that set aside for a second. So I'm using this tub so I don't get it all over my workstation like I did earlier, last night or whatever I was doing. Take a drink of coffee. I'm not sure, but I think we might be getting some more monsoon rains here today. Yesterday, oh my gosh, you guys, you should have seen it. I should have done a video, but I was not brave enough to go outside in it. We had some lightning, we had lots of thunder, we had heavy, 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 heavy winds. We had oh my gosh, we had it was, let's just say it was crazy. Ooh, I put lots of gold in there that time. A little too much maybe. We ended up with about 3 inches, maybe close to 4 inches of rain yesterday, and it rained for hours, but the heaviest was about an hour and a half of rain, and it just kept coming down and coming down. It just kept coming. It was not stopping. That is for sure. She was not gonna stop raining. Okay, where else are we gonna put some gold? Let's see. I got a big splatter of gold right there. So right there. And then I feel like I need a little bit, maybe right there. Okay. I'm going to shake it. Oh, this is going to have lots of glitter in it. Now I'm going to add a little bit more Everglades in it. I like this color of Everglades. That is so cool. Now we're going to put some more on this side. Oh, maybe in this hole. This looks a little white, clear. Okay. Okay, I think this one looks pretty good, you guys. So let's go ahead and put the top on this one. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, that one looks good. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And that dark Everglade green, a little bit of gold, lots of gold, evergreen, and lots of glitter in there. So, yeah. Okay, one more. So let's go ahead and do a red one, okay? And then we'll call it good for today for ornaments. Okay, so we're going to try white glitter. Okay, and we'll see how that works. Okay, so, oh no, we're not doing red glitter, I forgot. So let's get our white glitter. Let me see. Okay, I guess we can probably sprinkle it in. So let's do red and silver. So we're going to do red and silver. So let's go ahead and do rosewood. Let's get the lid off of the rosewood. So I will show you. That way you guys can see two different colors. And let's go ahead and get some glitter in there now that I just made a mess. Oh, you know what? I think there's a paper covering in there and I can't get the glitter to come out. There is. Look at that. I have to be smarter than the glitter. I was like, why isn't the glitter coming out? Funny. Okay. All right. Woo! I want it to kind of stick to the red. So that might look kind of cool. Alright, so now we're going to go opposite. Shake it. Put a little bit more glitter in there. Oh, that glitter's flying all over the place. Okay, a little bit more red on this side. A little bit more red on this side. Swirl it. Doot, 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 doot. Okay, now we're going to add our silver. Okay. This stuff you really have to shake, I think, every time before you use it because it's a mixative. And if it sits for a matter of a couple of minutes, that color down there starts to settle down at the bottom. Okay, let's add some more glitter. Da, 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 da. Okay, opposite of that would be right here. Stuff is like really fine, like so thin stuff. Okay, a little bit more silver. I don't know if that worked very well. Kind of went to the bottom. We'll have to add some rosewood again, and then we're going to call this one good, and we will be done. Woo! There we go. throw in a little bit more glitter. Too much glitter is okay, right? Like there's just a big gaping hole right there, and I don't like that big gaping hole. So I'm going to hold it like this so that it gets down in there. There we go. I filled it in. Yay. I think we got it. Oh, there's another one right there. Okay. Okay. I think that's okay. So let's put this down and I will show you here in a second. We're going to put this on very carefully. Good thing these are plastic. Okay, look at that one. They all turn out really different. Look at that. That is really pretty. That one turned out really good, even with the really fine detailed glitter. I don't know if you guys can see that really fine, detailed, beautiful. It almost looks like there's red glitter in there, but I love that silver mixative in there. That is really pretty. And I didn't get too much stuff on my hands, but no, it's okay. But not too bad for making 3 ornaments today. So yeah. Oh, and then I tried to make one yesterday on a stick, a big white popsicle stick, and I used some of Ranger or Tim Holtz's ice resin, and I mixed it in with the what's this stuff called? Mixed it in with Stickles, and I used some of the green Mojito alcohol inks and the gold mixative alcohol inks. Just trying to come up with a different type of Christmas tree ornament. Trying to, I don't know, and trying to figure out how to weatherproof these. I was cleaning out my cabinet behind me, and all of my weatherproofing stuff, my Mod Podge stuff, kind of got gross and expired and everything, so I got to toss it and stuff, so it had to go, and now I don't know what lid is which. That looks like rosewood. Make sure I get the right lid on the right one, and that one looks like silver. Okay, so we are done, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that little ornament making. So now you understand why I put my stuff on the inside. So go ahead and try it with alcohol inks. Do not put the blending solution in. You don't need to put extra alcohol in. I tried that too and it didn't help much. So just a little bit of alcohol inks and glitter, and voila, and you got yourself ornaments. So in many different colors too. It's amazing what you can come up with. So have fun, be creative, and yeah, love y'all. Bye.